Beloved TikTok star and internet's grandma, Yamada passes away. In a heartbreaking turn of events, Yamada, popularly known as the internet's grandma, and a celebrated TikTok creator, has passed away. Lynn captivated audiences with her unique and educational cooking content on the platform. This news has deeply saddened her devoted fan base and the online community as a whole. Lynn, affectionately referred to as the internet's grandma, gained significant popularity on TikTok under the username Lynja. With her endearing personality and quirky approach to cooking, she captured the hearts of millions of viewers worldwide. Lynn not only shared delicious recipes, but also imparted valuable culinary knowledge and techniques in her own charming and engaging style. Her content resonated with a diverse range of age groups, bringing joy and inspiration to both seasoned home cooks and those just starting their culinary journey. Lynn's authentic and relatable presence on TikTok made her a role model for aspiring chefs and enthusiasts alike. The news of Lynn's passing spread rapidly across social media, with an outpouring of grief and condolences from her devoted fan base and fellow creators. Many shared their memories of her warm-heartedness, her ability to bring people together, and the comfort they found in her videos. Lynn's impact on the TikTok community extended far beyond her large following. She fostered a sense of connection and community through her content. Yamada leaves behind a lasting legacy that transcends her online presence. She inspired countless individuals to follow their passion for cooking, encouraged them to embrace their unique culinary voices, and exemplified the power of bringing joy and knowledge to others through digital platforms. During this difficult time, individuals across the internet have come together to celebrate Lynn's life and express their support for her loved ones. Tributes and memorials continue to pour in, showcasing the impact she had on the lives of many. Yamada, the internet's grandma, may no longer be with us, but her spirit, love for cooking, and positive influence will live on through her videos and the memories she shared with her devoted following. She will be deeply missed, but her legacy will undoubtedly continue to inspire and bring joy to aspiring cooks all around the world.